this is Jackie with Townball Digital Marketing, and I would just want to shoot you over the quick video that I was telling you about, showing you a couple tips and tricks that you guys could do that would help bring in business through your website and bring in more leads. So I have your site pulled up, and going through it, the layout looks really good. The pictures are amazing. The work looks beautiful. My suggestion would be really, the biggest one would be to add some content on this homepage. So Google loves to see content. Content is king. So they want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. But within the content, you want to add the keywords that you want to be found for. That's really going to help bring in business. So, keywords for kitchen remodel, bathroom, plumbing, tile, all of it. And you can start to bring in more business for the services that you offer. So I input your information into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and we'll look over here. First, you have 30 backlinks, and those are coming from 23 referring domains or websites. So what a backlink is, it's your website linked to another site pointing direction back to you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Some are going to be spammy from like foreign websites that are just going to start to red flag Google, and then some come from authoritative websites. And that's what you really want to go after, stuff that's relative to the niche that you're in, and they're coming from those trusted websites, and it's going to just add a boost to your website as well and start pushing you up the ranks. So you guys are coming up for a couple keywords, so looking into that. Let's see, a lot of them are pretty brand specific. Let's see, home renovation, Houston, Texas. So there's 40 people a month that look up that keyword. You aren't coming up for that anymore. It's kind of lost in the back pages. Home restoration, Houston, 10 people a month look that up. Same thing with that. Home renovation, Houston, 200 people a month look that up. And then same thing with that. You're in the 90th position. Houston renovation, 30. And let's see, remodeling, Houston, Texas, 100, and kind of in the back on that as well. So just for one of the services that you offer, for example, kitchen remodeling, Houston, what comes up first are the ads, which is definitely something that you could do to get leads quickly. It's going to be put you right at the top, put you in front of people. You just want to make sure that you aren't structuring the ad where it's going to cost you an arm and a leg for the cost per click. So then what comes after that is the map pack and the Google My Business pages. So I would definitely suggest optimizing your Google My Business page to the full extent that you can. And by doing that, you can broaden the search area to like a 2-hour radius and pop up right in this little snack pack, because 30-40% of people are going to go right to the site or give you a call right from here. So going into the organics, the top competitor is Golf Remodeling, and here is their site. So going through here, they have a ton of content. So definitely go in and see how much they have, match it, and beat it out. And that's kind of just how that goes. And then you would put your keywords into that as well. So looking at where they're sitting and why, they have 1.42 thousand backlinks coming from 553 referring domains. So a good plan of action that I suggest for you guys would be to match the amount of referring domains that your competitors have and beat them out by 100. But again, you want to make sure that you're going to the websites that are trusted. So they're coming up for a little over 400 keywords. And so just taking a peek at that. Let's see, kitchen remodeling, Houston. This is a really good keyword. There's 300 people a month that look this up, and this is a KD of 10. So this is not going to take too long. I mean, you're going to, be probably around 10 months for this keyword to pop up, but there's 300 people that look that up. And once you start pulling ranking for this, a percentage of that's going to go to your site, and a percentage of that's going to give you a call. And depending on your closing rate, turn into a customer. Let's see. So kitchen remodelers, Houston, 350. Again, a great one. This one's would start ranking even sooner. Kitchen remodels, Houston, 350. Another good one. Bathroom remodeling, Houston, Texas, 300. Kitchen remodelers, Houston, Texas, 200. Kitchen remodeling, Pearland, 30. kitchen remodel, Houston, Texas 150, Houston, Texas kitchen remodel at 150. There is a ton of good keywords here that you could implement in just for the kitchen and bathroom stuff and start pulling in business for that way. For that one. And then this would apply to any of the services and the service areas that you're in. And then lastly, I just want to touch on citations. And what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number. And things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. Google is a giant popularity contest. And what that means is you really want to go out and give out your information to as many places as possible. And you want to fill out the information with the business name, address, and phone number. And that's going to increase your trust with Google, and it's going to help out your Google My Business page as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I do hope this was helpful, and I would love to hear some feedback from you. Thank you so much.